So if your USPS Informed Delivery mail is not working, here's how you can fix it. So it might be because your app is outdated. So what you can do is simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for USPS Mobile. Then if there is an update button, simply click on update and update your app. If your app is already up to date, what you can do is simply click and hold on to this icon. There, click on app info. From here, you can click on force stop, then confirm it. After that, make sure that you have put in the correct email. If you have put in the wrong email, then your email may not arrive. And sometimes your emails may have been lost in the spam section. Simply click on this 3-line bar in the top left corner. Scroll down below, click on spam. From here, check if the email from USPS is here. If it is, then simply click and hold on to it. Click on these 3 dots in the top right corner. Then click on move to and choose inbox or primary. Sometimes it might be the problem of your address mismatch. Simply open the app. From here, check your address, and if the address is wrong, you can click on change my location and change it from there. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.